In this video, we will learn about PartialView and why it is used in ASP.NET Core. PartialView is a reusable view component. It is used to break a large view into a small reusable part. For example, if we have a student list and we need to break it and make it more clean and maintain it, use the stable data and paste it in our partial view. We can create our partial view in both home folder and shared folder. If we create a partial view in home folder, access only by the home controller and only with these files, index and student. If we make our partial view inside shared folder, it can be accessed globally. We can create it by using underscore in the starting of it is the naming method. By using partial view, we can use the code multiple times on the same page. We will copy the student HTML code and paste it in our partial view. Partial view doesn't contain any HTML structure. It is just a part of a page, not a whole page. And then in a student list, we will remove our table content. And then we will write a code to inject our partial view inside our student list. This await is used for non-blocking process. It doesn't need to give any path if our it doesn't need to give any path if our partial view is in a shared folder. It can be easily accessed by any view files or any controller. It reduces the duplicate code, and we can see a view table which is fetched by a partial view. So we can see this.